Hello? Hello? I repeat, people have asked us how we will give 6,000 shillings to poor families. But that is the wrong question. The question we should be asking is how a few corrupt people got to be paid 800 billion shillings every year from our budget. How did the government afford this? How did these people con us? If you could afford to pay 800 billion to con men, you can afford to pay a mere 6,000 shillings to known and real Kenyans struggling with life. What these families need is a direct injection from government. These families need direct government funds to feed their children. So, in the first 100 days, my government will begin paying 6,000 shillings to families living below the poverty line.